These aren't pistols. They're luxury statements, the most expensive 9mm handguns of 2025, built for those who refuse to settle for ordinary. Forget budget guns. This is the world where power, precision, and prestige collide. These 9mm pistols don't just shoot, they scream luxury. Staccato XC. The Staccato XC isn't just a pistol, it's a statement. Built on the legendary 2011 platform, this 9mm is engineered to shoot flatter and faster than just about anything else on the market. With a 5-inch bull barrel, a built-in compensator, and a 17 or 20-round magazine, it delivers recoil control so smooth it almost feels like cheating. Every XC is hand-fitted by Staccato's master gunsmiths, giving you a glassy smooth cycle, a competition-grade trigger, and accuracy that borders on unfair. Out of the box, it's optics-ready, match-grade, and tuned to perform at the highest level. The XC isn't just about performance, it's about prestige. This is a gun trusted by competition champions and admired by collectors who demand the rare blend of speed, control, and beauty. The aggressive slide cuts, premium fit and finish, and buttery trigger make it feel more like a luxury watch than a firearm. But here's the catch. Luxury like this doesn't come cheap. Starting at over $4,500 and climbing higher with custom finishes, the XC is built for shooters who want the absolute best, no compromises. Nighthawk TRS Comp. When it comes to true custom shop 9s, few names carry the weight of Nighthawk Custom. Their TRS Comp is the crown jewel, a double-stack 1911 in 9mm, hand-built from start to finish by a single master gunsmith. That means one set of hands, one vision, and absolute perfection in every detail. The TRS Comp features a 5-inch match-grade barrel with an integrated compensator, giving you the kind of recoil control and flat shooting normally reserved for full-blown race guns. It's a pistol you could carry if you wanted, but its smooth cycling, glass rod, crisp trigger, and bank vault slide-to-frame fit make it feel more like a precision instrument than a tool. Capacity comes in at 17+1 rounds, wrapped in a grip designed for control and comfort. From the aggressive slide serrations to the flawless finish, everything about this gun screams handcrafted luxury. With a starting price around $5,000 and climbing well beyond that with custom options, the TRS Comp isn't for casual shooters. It's for the collector, competitor, or enthusiast who demands nothing less than perfection in a 9mm. Laugo Alien Full Kit. The Laugo Alien looks like it was smuggled out of a sci-fi weapons lab, and in a way, it was. Designed in the Czech Republic, this pistol breaks nearly every rule of traditional handgun design. Its fixed barrel sits only 1.7 millimeters above the shooter's grip, giving it the lowest bore axis of any handgun on the planet. The result? Virtually no muzzle rise, lightning-fast follow-up shots, and recoil control that feels almost unnatural. The Alien isn't just different, it's modular. The system allows you to swap entire upper assemblies in seconds, letting you choose between iron sights, red dots, or compensated setups without losing zero. The trigger is equally alien, ultra-light, glassy crisp, and perfectly suited for competition-level precision. With a 4.8-inch barrel and a 17-round magazine, this 9mm is built to dominate speed shooting and accuracy contests alike. The full kit takes it even further, including multiple top ends, magazines, and premium accessories to unlock the pistol's full potential. Of course, innovation like this comes at a cost. Retailing around $6,500 in 2025, the Laugo Alien Full Kit is one of the most expensive 9mm pistols money can buy, but also one of the most advanced firearms ever created. It doesn't just shoot differently, it feels like it's rewriting the rules of handgun physics. Wilson Combat EDC X9. Wilson Combat is a legend in the 1911 world. and the EDC X9 takes that same heritage of craftsmanship into a modern, double-stack 9mm design. Think of it as the perfect hybrid, the feel and ergonomics of a 1911 paired with the capacity and modularity of today's best carry pistols. Hand-built with match-grade internals, the EDC X9 offers a 4-inch barrel, silky smooth cycling, and a trigger pull that rivals high-end competition guns. Capacity ranges from 15 to 18 rounds, giving you more than double the firepower of a classic 1911 without sacrificing that single-action precision. Every detail is dialed in. The slide-to-frame fit is flawless, the reliability is rock solid, and the aesthetics are pure Wilson Combat. Clean lines, perfect machining, and a finish built to last a lifetime. At around $3,800, the EDC X9 is technically one of the cheaper guns on this list, but it's still far beyond your standard Glock or SIG. For shooters who love the soul of a 1911 but want modern practicality, this pistol represents the best of both worlds in a concealed carry-ready package. Korth PRS Korth is legendary for building some of the finest revolvers on earth, but their foray into 9mm pistols is every bit as extravagant. Enter the Korth PRS, a semi-auto so meticulously built that it feels more like a collector's heirloom than a sidearm. Crafted in Germany from premium steel and hand-fitted to perfection, the PRS combines Teutonic engineering precision with old-world artistry. The tolerances are incredibly tight, creating that bank vault smoothness Korth is famous for. The 5-inch match barrel and 8+1 or 9+1 capacity, paired with its hand-tuned trigger, make it as accurate as it is beautiful. Every PRS is finished with an attention to detail bordering on obsession. Mirror-polished flats, perfect serrations, and grips that feel sculpted rather than manufactured. Shooting one is an experience in refinement, not just firepower. At over $5,500, the PRS is rare, exotic, and far more likely to live in a collector's safe than a carry holster. But for those who demand the pinnacle of European luxury in a 9mm, Korth delivers something no other brand can replicate. Cabot Guns Icon Cabot Guns doesn't just make pistols, they craft masterpieces. Known for pushing the limits of artistry and metallurgy, Cabot has built pistols out of meteorite steel, Damascus, and other exotic materials that border on the unbelievable. Their Icon series in 9mm starts at around $10,000, but with custom finishes, engraving, and rare materials, the price climbs into the stratosphere. Every Icon is a full custom build, often featuring hand engraving, mirror polishing, and one-off design elements that ensure no two are exactly alike. Specs vary depending on the build, but expect a 5-inch barrel, precision-machined internals, and 9mm performance that is every bit as functional as it is beautiful. Yes, they're accurate and reliable, but let's be honest. At this level, you're buying prestige and exclusivity as much as performance. A Cabot pistol isn't just a gun, it's a status symbol, a piece of functional jewelry in steel and wood. Owning a Cabot is like owning a custom Ferrari. It's about rarity, craftsmanship, and legacy as much as it is about utility. For collectors who want the absolute pinnacle of luxury handguns, the Icon is the crown jewel. STI Staccato XL Custom Builds. The Staccato XL is already considered one of the finest competition-ready 9mm pistols available today. Built on the legendary 2011 platform, it offers speed, precision, and control that serious shooters crave. But step into the world of custom-tuned XLs, and things get truly next level. Custom shop builds take the already stellar XL and elevate it with hand-fitted barrels, polished internals, tuned triggers, and exotic finishes. The result? A pistol that runs smoother, shoots flatter, and looks better than almost anything else on the competition circuit. With its 5.4-inch bull barrel and 20-round magazines, the XL is designed to dominate the range or the podium. Shooters praise its accuracy, its almost recoil-free impulse, and a trigger so clean it feels telepathic. The base XL commands respect at the range, but custom shop builds transform it into a no-expense-spared firearm, with prices climbing well into the $6,000 to $7,000 range. At this level, you're not just buying performance, you're buying a competitive edge, and in the world of elite shooting, that edge is priceless. SIG Sauer P210 Legend Target. Few pistols carry the reputation of the SIG Sauer P210, long hailed as one of the most accurate handguns ever made. The modern P210 Legend Target keeps that reputation alive, blending Swiss-inspired craftsmanship with updated German precision. This single-action 9mm features a 4.7-inch match barrel, an ultra-crisp trigger, and tolerances so tight it feels more like a precision instrument than a pistol. With its extended target grips and refined ergonomics, the P210 is designed for accuracy above all else, making it a favorite among marksmen and competitive shooters who demand perfection. It's elegant, timeless, and built like a Swiss watch, smooth, exact, and unfailingly consistent. While not intended as a daily carry gun, the P210 Legend Target shines on the range, where its precision can truly be appreciated. At around $3,200, it's technically the entry-level option on this list, but still firmly among the elite. For shooters who want old-world refinement in a modern package, the P210 Legend Target remains one of the finest 9mm money can buy. Arsenal Firearms AF 2011 A1 double-barrel 9mm. Yes, you read that right. A double-barrel 9mm pistol. Arsenal Firearms built the AF 2011 A1 as part engineering flex, part collector's novelty, and entirely unforgettable. Essentially, it's two 1911s fused together into one massive frame, firing 2 rounds with every pull of the trigger. The AF 2011 A1 is heavy, wide, and absolutely impractical as a carry gun. But that's not the point. It's a showpiece, an exotic design that pushes boundaries simply because it can. With twin barrels, twin triggers joined by a single shoe, and a synchronized slide system, it's as fascinating to study as it is to fire. Retail prices hover between $7,000 and $8,000, depending on finish and configuration, putting it well into the luxury tier of collectible firearms. Is it necessary? Not at all. But when it comes to expensive 9mm pistols, the AF 2011 A1 earns its place for sheer wow factor and engineering bravado. It's less about practicality and more about owning a piece of firearms history that turns heads every time it's unholstered. Beretta 92 FS Fusion. To close the list, we have one of the most extravagant factory Berettas ever created, the 92 FS Fusion. Hand-built in Beretta's custom shop in Gardone, Italy, the Fusion isn't just a pistol, it's a showcase of old-world artistry applied to a modern icon. Based on the legendary 92 FS platform, the Fusion is elevated with luxury finishes, fine engraving, and wood grips inlaid with polished metals. Each one is carefully hand-fitted and decorated with the kind of craftsmanship normally reserved for bespoke shotguns or heirloom hunting rifles. The result is a firearm that blends precision mechanics with high art. Despite its lavish design, it remains a functional 9mm pistol chambered in the same platform trusted by militaries worldwide. But make no mistake, this isn't a range toy. With prices starting at $20,000 and climbing higher depending on customization, the Fusion is intended for serious collectors who see firearms as both weapons and works of art. For those who demand not just performance, but true exclusivity, the Beretta 92 FS Fusion stands as the crown jewel of luxury 9mm pistols. So there you have it, the most expensive 9mm pistols money can buy in 2025. From the tactical dominance of the Staccato XC and Nighthawk TRS Comp, to the sci-fi engineering of the Laugo Alien, to the pure artistry of Cabot and Beretta Fusion, each one represents a different side of what expensive means in the firearms world. For some shooters, the value comes from performance, faster splits, tighter groups, and ultimate reliability. For others, it's about craftsmanship, the pride of owning something built by hand, often in limited numbers. And for a select few, it's about exclusivity, owning a pistol so rare and so unique that only a handful of people on Earth will ever touch it. But here's the bottom line. You don't need to spend $5,000 or $20,000 to defend yourself. A Glock, SIG, or Ruger will serve you just fine. These pistols are about passion, precision, and prestige. They're about what happens when gunmakers throw out the budget and build purely for excellence. So, if you ever find yourself asking, what's the best 9mm money can buy? The answer is simple. It's the one you'll never forget owning.